आयची गेम तुका कशी
बरी जाली शिवोली बरे खेळले आणि 8 लाख पळयले ना बट ओवरऑल वॉज अ गुड गेम.
वॉट वॉज युअर एक्सपिरियन्स ऑफ इंटर-विलेज फुटबॉल?
I used to play football when I was a small under 15, under 17, under 12. Then we arrange tournaments. We have a club called Rising Club of Savarkota. I am a treasurer in that club and we have arranged multiple tournaments on this ground itself. So that is the experience I had.
What is the message for the young budding stars that are coming in the field of football?
There's a lot of chances to improve the game. There are a lot of opportunities to make money and fame. India is growing with the football. The youth is winning everywhere. India under 17 have won in Asia. I mean the SARC, I think so. So it's a very good thing India is doing. So Goa should improve more. That's my answer.
Why you think this kind of tournament, like this tournament has proved so many spectators?
Sorry?
So many spectators you can see today.
Yes.
For this kind of tournament. So what is it you think?
Women, you're saying women spectators?
No, all spectators today.
Yes.
Number of large numbers.
Yeah, it depends on the team also and the support they come. So more support comes, the more chances of winning for their home team.
If you go to see in Goa, there are so many spectators are coming for the mostly village tournament.
Inter-village.
Inter-village. So what is
There's
your
a connection, bonding, everybody is there. So there's bonding, people come to support their own friends and family probably. And that's why the more people are coming. And that is a good thing for football.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.